with the holiday seasons here, it's always great to have a great cookie. This recipe comes from Italy. This is all you need. A wine glass, white wine, a good quality olive oil, sugar and flour, and a pinch of salt. Mix all the liquid ingredients, add the sugar, add flour till it forms a dough, roll it out and bake it at 300 for about 25 minutes till it's nice and crispy. So we're gonna do this real quick. All we need is a nice wine glass. We're gonna add equal parts, a wine glass full, of sugar, olive oil, and today we're using Villa San Giovanni Pinot Grigio. And it's always nice when you have a little left in the bottle and you can drink it later. So I've added enough flour to make a nice soft cookie dough. Now all we're gonna do is roll in some nice sugar. I'm gonna flatten these real quick with a wine glass because I want them to get nice and crispy. So the cookies are out. We've already tried too. But you want to make sure that they're really nice and crispy.